Uline's polyurethane work stools are built to last. Ideal for use in repair shops and service counters, this tool also has a durable polyurethane seat that resists stains and punctures and is easy to clean. Work stools feature a hefty 275-pound capacity. These stools have multiple adjustments for customized comfort. The back height can be adjusted up or down, and the seat can easily be raised or lowered from 22 to 32 inches high, making them ideal for use at both standard and counter height tables. There's a back angle adjustment. The back and seat adjust independently of each other. The chrome footring adjusts up or down to support the user's feet. Polyurethane work stools are available with or without armrests. And the armrest's height can be adjusted to support the forearms. Optional casters are available to provide mobility. Uline's polyurethane work stools are in stock and ready for delivery from any of our locations in North America. All your office furniture solutions are at Uline.